here is our battery pouch V2. This is the rounded edges that we've cut, the circle a little bit further inside, additional circles up here for shock cord weaving to the top of the helmet. A couple other improvements like this top pull tab. There was a small error in cutting, but I'm running low on this fabric, and this was a scrap piece, so yeah, this piece was already cut like this, and then the laser cut it here, and then there was just no fabric there to be cut. So but didn't want to waste this piece, so we're gonna send it. Same as before, this is the battery pack, 3D printed. Holds some AA's and some CR 123s. So this goes back on, and then it's gonna go here, and then this flap will get folded up with Velcro, 1-inch elastic, and Velcro on the outside, and then this will have Velcro on this side, and will get folded down. So it definitely fits a little bit better with the sizing adjustments we've made to like these bridges. Overall, I think it's a better fit. And then these ear flaps with the holes a little bit further in, definitely better. It's going to handle stress a little bit better. Yeah, I think we're going to do 1-inch elastic right here, and that's just going to kind of hold the battery so it doesn't wiggle back and forth, rather than maybe doing the 1-inch elastic from here to here. For order of operations, gonna do this 1-inch elastic strap first. So just kind of fold over both ends, tag them right there, like that. That's gonna leave enough room to slip the battery pack in there. And then after that, do the Velcro up top, Velcro on the back side, and then Velcro on this flip up side. So let's get sewing. All right, prototype V2 sewing completed. A couple things we didn't do the same as the V1. We didn't end up putting the elastic bridges from these two. So basically this is gonna attach to the helmet, and this is gonna fold up, and this is gonna fold down, get strapped to the helmet. When you open it, it is gonna pop open, kind of show you what's in there, which just the battery pack, right? I think I want to try that out. the way it is, the way this battery pack is, you know, there's kind of a little bit of gap there. When you lay it flat, these ears kind of pop up a little bit because of the elastic and how tight it is around the battery pack. But I'm glad we have these grommets here. We can shot cord it to the helmet. So we're gonna try this out. I'm happier with this than the V1 for sure, especially because, you know, it fits a lot better. It's a little bit less bulky. The top flap doesn't come all the way down over it. We've got this little, you know, pull tab here. Flips open. You see what's in there. Easy to get in there and, you know, grab things, grab the whole thing, you know, pull this lid off. This lid is kind of tricky to get off. So I think I like that a little bit better than, you know, you have to look down in there and pull this thing out. You know, if this is on the helmet, you can literally just manipulate it like this, and then when you're ready to fold it back up, just fold it back up. Little things like this, you know, I'm not worried about because it's still a prototype. Obviously not gonna, you know, finish the product and send it like that, but this is still a prototype. Prototype V2. Gonna get this on the helmet, get it shot corded up, take it on some night hikes, give it a shot. All right, here it is on the helmet. Got it shot corded. Kind of went the cheating route with these mini pair of clips clipped to this spot here. But you can see the shot cord does go through. Goes through those holes that we put. And then pair of clips to that other side as well. And you can see when you need it, flip it open. Shows you what's in there. If you don't want it, close it back up. It looks good. It's not going to come out the sides, not coming out the bottom. This shot cord is going to make sure that it doesn't leave the helmet. But we're going to test that out. And then also, kind of already forgot a couple of things that I wanted to do. Put Velcro on the outside here for things like patches. It's the cat eyes patch from last video. So yeah, just part of the prototyping stages, you know, forget about stuff like that. Forget about stuff you wanted to do. Already seeing stuff that I want to improve too. So for V3 or possibly final version, I think the pouch doesn't need to be as tall as it is, just because there's still excess material. You can kind of see, you know, there's plenty of room. These don't need to be as long as they are. So, but we'll keep working on it. We're going to take this out a couple night hikes, see how it does, see if we get any other feedback, improvements, anything like that. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.